Paşam merhabalar.
Şimdi uçak kazasından kurtuldum videosu. Bay canavar.
Private jet?
What the fuck?
And now it's crashed. It takes on average 31 hours for a rescue team to find the survivors of a plane crash. And now me and the boys are literally stranded
Altyazı çok mu Eminönü?
until help
Değildir
arrives.
umarım.
All right, let's assess the damage over here.
I see some water bottles. We're gonna get thirsty out here. You know how it is.
Lan,
Oh look, they
Ludwig.
really pay 2 pilots and they only need 1? That's why your flight's so expensive.
Chris, what? I found snacks.
So just like a normal plane, it's all terrible. We're saving the...
Şey biliyor musunuz, uçak kazasında koltukları yiyen adam.
Benim biseks olduğumu söyledi. Çok garip izliyorum, bir de video var.
Abi psikiyatrist ne? Kedi doktoru mu? Psikiyatrist. Psikiyatristim benim biseks olduğumu söyledi. Çok garip hissediyorum. Bir de video var. Ya keşke psikiyatristin Topak sana Türkçe dersleri alman gerektiğini söyleseymiş. Ama olsun.
Paşam merhabalar.
for later, we got rations.
Teşekkür
But I'm
ederim.
hungry now.
We're to pull the plane resources on the wing.
This takes layovers to the next level.
The only food and water we have to survive is what's typically stocked
Oğlum bir şey diyeyim mi? Bu kadar yemeğe hayatta kalırsın ya.
on a private jet. These tiny planes really don't have much food and water. I think it's time we use some strategy. Half of us should go explore the area, and the other half should keep organizing the inventory and building a shelter.
All right, let's all go grab plane pieces.
The longer we explore, the less we have to build.
Exactly.
We push it and we're making like a tent area.
Bir şey soracağım.
I like it.
Başta ben kaçırdım. 31 saat mi dedi, 31 gün mü demişti.
21 hours for a
Abi
rescue team
30
to find a
saate
survivor.
30 saat hayatta kalırsın ya bence.
I'm thirsty. What happened to rationing? I don't think exploring does anything.
Biraz sardım.
Oh, well, when you put it
So
that
yes.
way, does this not look like a movie scene?
This feels like
So-
we're in Jurassic Park.
It really does.
Wait, especially with that dinosaur?
Oh shoot. Wait, is this our new home? This is epic. They made progress while we were gone. Doesn't look like there's much
Doğru,
water.
uçağın kendi yemeği de var lan.
I drink my 4
Tabii
bottles.
bütün uçaklarda yemek
My
var
share.
sonuçta.
You've been drinking waters? Well, I've been thirsty. What happened to rationing?
Hey, ration these now.
Böyle bir durumda ne yapman lazım ben sana söyleyeyim mi? Hayatta kalmanın birinci kuralı. Hemen çıkarıp işemen ve içmen lazım onu. Ama hemen. Uçak düştüğü anda hemen içeceksin. Hemen.
Paşam merhabalar.
Hemen.
Nice.
I'm a streamer. I'm not made for this
Bekletirsen
outdoor
olmaz.
stuff.
Bagisim gelmedi
Kafana
sandım ve anasını gerildim. Sen okuyunca bir
Gel.
tek ağladım. Bu sefer yayın izlerken uyuyakalmamayacağım alıp sonuna kadar izleyeceğim.
Aysinks teşekkür ederim. Bir şey diyeceğim. Bir... Hayvan gibi soğuk oldu hava bir anda. Bir saniye. Yağmur mu yağıyor? Biz bekletiyoruz. Bak fırtına çıkmış. Çok iyi. Fırtına çıkmış.
We'll come back with so many sticks.
Oh, it's scary in here now.
Ya
Do
bir
you
şey
feel
diyeceğim.
like you
30
know how to
saat
get back from
average
here?
çok az lan.
I think
30
we're
saat
lost.
çok kolay hayatta kalırsın ya bence.
Guys, I got a fire pit.
Hani bunları yapmana bile gerek yok yani.
You just rip the engine off the plane. This is
Otursan
actually a
yeter.
perfect fire pit. You might not be the brightest, but this is impressive.
I think I have enough wood to go ahead and get the firewood started.
Look at that. Chris is big braining right now, dude.
What?
We are thriving,
Gerçi evet
not
ateş
just
yapsan iyi olur
surviving.
ya.
We got an idea. Tariq, give me the drone. Tariq brought this drone to get cool drone shots. But what he didn't plan for is for me to take the drone and use it to scout the area. Bro, it's literally just trees. I wonder if
Oğlum ne
Ludwig
güzel
hears this
drone
and
ya.
is just like, he's terrified.
Yeah, I hear a drone. You do? Is it more that way? This way. We might actually be lost. Carl! Chris!
All right, still trees, still trees. Wait, what is that?
Oh my god, that's
Hey,
water.
Chris!
That's water.
Look what I found.
That's a river source.
Wait, where is this river?
Is that Ludwig the
Is
elephant?
that Ludwig?
Okay, Carl, I'm having fun with the drone.
Ama bak şimdi şöyle. Bence bu işin esas zorluğu nerede patlar biliyor musunuz? Böyle ticari bir uçak düşerse hani herkes hayatta kaldı diyelim. Kaç kişi yani bir 150 kişi olduğunu düşün bu senaryoda.
You go save Ludwig.
Ludwig just screamed.
O
Where
bayağı
is he?
korkunç.
Is he in the forest? Where are you?
Ama ölür herkes herhalde ya. Aynen Lost senaryosu. Lost senaryosu. Evet.
Oh my god. Are you kidding?
That's like nothing.
These are good sticks.
That also wasn't even in the bag.
But
Watch yourself with that stick.
We need a meeting, Jimmy. Ludwig was lost in there, and I find him with a bag of about 8 sticks.
Man, that's actually a lot of wood.
It's a good amount of sticks.
He was out there for an hour!
Here's the situation. This plane wing could fall at any point. We barely have any water left. And we haven't even built the helipad for the helicopter to land and pick us up when the time's up yet. I know everyone's about to go to bed, but I just remembered we have a flare gun. Help!
Ben o gerçek olayı biliyorum ya. O şey olmuyor mu? Elemanlar karlı bir dağa düşüyorlar. İlk koltukları yiyorlar. Sonra insanları yiyorlar. Aralarında anlaşıp. Olayın adını hatırlamıyorum ama bayağı fazla kişi düşüyordu herhalde.
Oh wow. Wait, is it gonna
Koltuk
come
yemişler.
down?
Bro. Yani o koltuğu yeme fikri geldi an diyeceksin ki hemen bölüşeceksin orada. Çubuk çekeceksin. Kısa çubuğu çeken yenecek. Koltuk yemek mi, insan yemek mi? Günün sonunda zaten insanı yiyeceksin yani. O yüzden koltuk yenmez.
Dead. Oh wait, never mind.
Ha tabii ilk önce işleyeceksin onu.
Another one.
O hemen.
Ooh. Before you shoot our
Normali.
last flare, what if we actually need a flare?
What would we possibly need a flare?
Apparently this drone has a thermal camera. So we
What the
decided to
fuck?
test something in the name of science.
Dude, let me write a message in urine.
All right, we're ready. Write us a message in your pee.
I think I see it.
Oh my god!
Yes.
We see his pee! You see it? I put my initials.
Yeah, we do.
We can see your pee!
Oh my god.
I wanted to write sub to MrBeast, but I realized I was gonna run out of fuel. Yeah. Oh, that's actually the first water bottle I've had in 6 hours.
Chris, are you hungry?
What do you think, Drake? What kind of question is that? Of course I'm hungry. Nobody is 8.
We're not even halfway through the challenge, and we're starting to go crazy due to dehydration.
The only thing in the air right now are these bugs.
Guys, I just realized we're gonna miss our connecting
Onu
flight.
içmesi lazımdı bu arada.
Guys, I just realized we're probably gonna miss our connecting flight.
I'm not having fun anymore, bro.
This is taking layover to a whole new extreme.
It's 4 a.m. I've gotten no sleep. It's freezing cold outside. I've gone from heat exhaustion to shivering in like 6 hours.
How'd everyone sleep last night?
On the wrong side of the plane.
It got really cold in the cave over there, so we all came over here and slept by the fire.
How much food do we have left?
None.
We have like 10 packs of nuts.
Literally only peanuts.
As you guys remember when I was playing with the drone, we saw a river over there. And seeing how we need to shower and none of us have water, minus like Ludwig.
I drink my 4 bottles.
I think we should go find the river.
To the river. Going to find a river through the woods. You guys gotta remember, I grew up
Bence
in the
duş almak
woods.
çok
The roots
gereksiz.
have been washed out by water. That means we're getting close.
Guys, I think I hear it.
Yeah, Chris, the river did look
Kalitesi
closer.
ha
We're almost
şeyden
there.
dolayı.
Doğum
Yeah, you guys wanna hear
gündü ama bana akıllı eksikliği teşhisi konuldu.
Ne? Akıl eksikliği ne? Ne? Geçmiş olsun. Nasıl? Öyle bir teşhis mi var lan? Doğum günü kutlu olsun. Cosmic King, grow.
Chris impression? Yo, it's right through here, guys.
I am actually seeing like little purple dots, and I don't know if it's gnats or I'm dehydrated.
I wouldn't drink out of this river.
Boys! Fishing poles!
Oh! We did not put those there, just to be clear. I don't think this is ever gonna get clean enough to drink and bathe in.
Oh.
I have a headache, I'm dehydrated. Chris is just gonna keep going.
We keep trekking on.
I think we just head back to the plane and just leave them.
A shower would have been nice, though.
Yeah.
Oh! What?
Why in America is there just random things in the woods?
Whoa. How old is this Mountain Dew?
Whoa. Oh my god. This thing's disgusting. Oh, there's wasps in here. Oh.
All right, let's jab.
Oh.
Let's jab.
Çok kötü.
We brought bug spray.
Run! I've never been so
kadar
excited to get back
eşek
to a
arısı.
crash site.
We're back!
Do you hear yelling?
I hear yelling.
What are you, a river god?
I am a river god. That's why I have this staff. It gives me plus 8.
Paşam
You
merhabalar.
guys been being productive?
Chris, you're back!
Chris, who's that? I'm the river god.
I'm severely dehydrated. They need to pack more waters on planes for when you get in a plane crash. This is really hard to survive off of like this much water.
Oğlum düşünsene uçak kazası yapıp Konya'ya düştüğünü. Nereden bulacaksın lan içecek su?
This is compared
Sıçtın.
to 24 hours in a desert.
During the day it was hot, but we had water.
How is this compared to 50 hours in the wilderness?
This is way harder.
Because in the wilderness one, we had water.
Almost like you need water to survive.
Çok zor yani.
Is there actually a helicopter coming?
Düşünsene Konya'da doğduğunu. Biraz sence de ofensif değil mi yani? Konya'da ne olacak lan doğsan?
Paşam merhabalar. Akşamleyin yani daha doğrusu saat 6'da
Coming or not? I don't
Yani
actually
daha
trust
doğrusu
that there's a helicopter coming.
saat 6'da.
It's officially been 30 hours, which means we have 1 more hour until the helicopter saves us. I have 3 layers of sunscreen on, 4 layers of bug spray. But that aside, we should build a place for the helicopter to land.
Go a little faster. We've only got an hour.
You want to do it? Why do I have to mow the grass? We could burn the grass.
Bir şey diyeceğim. Bu video izlediğim en kötü MrBeast videosuydu bu arada.
Shower.
Blood, come on. You had fun, did you not?
It was a good
Ya eğlenceli video da. Hani normal bir koşulda güzel bir video. Ama yani çok kuru kafaydı yani. Hiçbir şey olmuyor. Yani fikir güzel ama öyle o kadar heyecanlı değildi yani. Ama helikopter iniyor. Şu an çok güzel oldu bu video. Helikopter var videoda. Şu an çok iyiymiş. Goofy MrBeast video. God damn. Ayı falan saldırsın. Tabi. Aynen öyle. 35 milyon izlenmiş.
Elçisi eğer bize daha fazla zorbalık yaparsan sana ve chatine ambargo uygulayacağız.
Shut the fuck up. Hala olmuyor musun? Evet.
Secde 049 varsa
Başarılı chat.